GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit. Hashtag GizzyCredit.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it.
Hollywood
No
legend.
longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.
What's good, mi gente? Your boy GizzyCredit here. On the hustle, you already know. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those who don't know, I go by GizzyCredit, doing credit repair for the last 10 years. Gotta help out a bunch of people get mortgages, houses, business loans, credit cards. You've seen from the videos, we're making videos since 2009. We also have a 6 p.m. podcast that goes into the educational aspect of credit. Also, what's going on with the economy right now as it pertains to your credit, finances, real estate, anything that has to do with your credit. We have a show for you. Anyways, my people, time for more credit repair results. Shout out to everyone who starts credit repair with us and does credit repair at the same time. We also do credit repair results. So, if you start the process, you're going to see results by law in 30 days. I got a couple of people starting credit repair today. There really isn't a day that people don't start credit repair with us. Almost every day, someone starts credit repair with us. So we really appreciate you guys seeing us online, on Facebook, on Instagram. You see right above right here. That's where you can find all my content. Anyways, let's get into the fourth wave credit repair results. Let's do this. My people, I'm back again. GizzyCredit. Got results for this couple who started credit repair a month ago. And you remember the guy that I told you from Raleigh, North Carolina? He's always referring me people, and everybody's his brother or his cousin. Well, this is one of his sisters. One of the 4 or 5 sisters that he has. Everybody trying to get a discount. But anyways, let's see the results that we got for her husband. We can see these are results for her husband, Eric. Credit One Bank deleted from the credit report. Online information service, another collection company, has been deleted. Got another account that got verified, but it's, doesn't mean anything. We just gonna redispute. Like I said, my people, a lot of you are watching me here on Instagram, but many of you will be seeing my posts on YouTube with a whole bunch of other videos combined. This is all educating you guys and letting you guys know how we work. Let's go. What's good, my people? Listen, I know many of you see my videos for a very long time, and you actually started credit repair with us too. And then there have been times where you don't update your 3 bureaus and you go months and months. Maybe you're this type of customer, but at the end of the day, you see these videos and you always come back to us. This is what happened to this customer from El Paso, Texas. We've been helping him for mad long, but he never updates sometimes, and then he comes back. So now we got results for his Experian. Let's review his results on Experian. See from up top, it says item in dispute. Okay, outcome remains. You see right here, Amex card has been deleted from his credit file. Good for him. We tell people all the time, you're going to get results. Just follow the process, be patient, and let's work together. You already know. GizzyCredit. Mi gente, your boy GizzyCredit got results for this customer for his Equifax and his for Experian. Now, many of you have seen my videos and you probably see that we get a lot of Equifax credit repair results and not so much Experian, not so much TransUnion. Yeah, I get all of them, but there are times where we don't remove a negative account from a bureau, which hardly never happens, but it happens. Anyways, it doesn't matter because the bureaus are, they're going to say verified, but that's not your problem. That's our problem, and we just have to dispute with a different technique. Let's review this customer's Equifax and Experian results. As you can see, personal information was deleted, but all the other information was verified from this customer's Equifax. Now, if we go to his Experian, we see that Capital One and another Capital One were deleted from his credit file. At the end of the day, everyone gets results no matter what. We commit to the file. My people, your boy GizzyCredit here. Listen, a lot of you start the process or restart the process with us again. Got this customer out of Wexford, Pennsylvania. We helped them out 3 years ago. Customers come back all the time. Anyways, people get a special pricing when they restart the process with us. Let's review this customer's Experian results. As we can see, we were only able to remove one negative account, which is the Capital One card. The rest of the stuff got verified, which again is totally fine because that's our job to redispute and give this person results in removing all of these rest of negative accounts. Anyways, people who restart the process, they already have an understanding of how credit repair works. They know we're not going anywhere. They know that they could just pay us and they could restart the process. If they need an update, they can just email us. We give them an update. But these are the type of people that let us do our job, which is what we appreciate the most. They're letting us. Okay, my people, so got results. You saw the last video. The last video showed Wexford customer, Wexford, Pennsylvania, who started credit repair again. He used to be a customer of ours. He restarted the process. You saw the results. Now these are the results for his Equifax report. Let's review. So as we can see, we were only able to remove one negative account, which is the Alliant Credit Union, has been deleted from his credit report. Now you did see all of the other credit repair reports in the last video, but as you know, credit repair is a process. So now that we got all these results, we redispute in order to remove all of the other negative accounts. Now, every 30 days, we dispute all of the negatives to get everything removed. And if we do, beautiful. If not, we redispute. Remember, this is the process. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Got some more credit repair results for this customer out of Augusta, Georgia. Shout out to other people in GA who recently contacted me. And yes, we've been taking Georgia customers for the last year. I know I got some videos out there saying that we weren't taking any customers, but that was in 2014. And since we gotten so many referrals from Georgia, we just opened up the state to start helping people out there. Anyways, let's review these credit repair results for this customer for Experian. Okay, mi gente, as you can see right there, federal bankruptcy is still there, no problem, only first round. But as you can see, Navy Federal Credit Union, 2 accounts were deleted. Oh, you already know, during coronavirus, we have not stopped working and we still will work for you. You already know, GizzyCredit. Mi gente, your boy GizzyCredit here, giving out another credit repair results to this customer out in Raleigh, North Carolina. Shout out to other people from the North and South Carolina. You guys always keep me busy. Anyways, remove 4 negative accounts in the first 30 days of this customer's Equifax file. Let's review his credit file and see his results. Alrighty, as we can see right there, Glassy, alright, account has been deleted. Duke University Federal Credit Union has been deleted. Alright, we got First Progress and First Premier also have been deleted. Good for this customer. Now, my people, we do have a couple of more negative accounts left to remove, but still great results in the first round. Now we wait for Experian and TransUnion results as well. You already know, you're looking for a credit repair quote, DM me your email address and I'll send you my how to start credit repair info. What's good, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here. Shout out to everyone in Bakersfield, California. I got a lot of customers from that county, Bakersfield, California. I don't know if it's a county or if it's a city, but I think it's a city. But anyways, shout out to everyone out there. Got results for this customer who started with us. And let's review her Experian credit repair results. So as we can see right here, HP Sears, alright, account has been deleted. And we go back to another account and we go this Waypoint Resource Group has been deleted as well. Got other accounts that remain, but no problem. And this was only the first round for this customer, so it's totally fine. But at least she got results in the first 30 days of accounts being removed. Now we wait for TransUnion and Equifax to get results. We update the 3 bureaus and redispute. You already know. My people, I know a lot of you have been watching me for years. Matter of fact, this customer was watching me for years and reached back out again because we were able to fix his credit again. Anyways, he came back again from Decatur, Georgia, still getting credit repair results from your boy GizzyCredit team. Anyways, let's review his TransUnion results. As we can see, this is his dispute. We see right here, Capital One, all right, and another Capital One have been deleted. Good for him. Before, we are getting more and more credit repair customers from Georgia. But the funny thing about this customer is this was probably one of the last customers that we helped out that was from Georgia when we stopped taking customers from the whole state. But like I said, in the last year, a lot of people from Georgia have been good, patient customers. We love helping people who are going to be patient with the process and understand that credit repair is not an overnight thing, but we commit to the file until everything. So my people, a lot of you have been watching my YouTube videos, and I want to say thank you so much for doing that. These are credit repair results that go on my Instagram page, and a lot of these videos will be on my YouTube channel. Got more results for this customer out of Manchester, Tennessee. Now I know a lot of you from the YouTube videos have seen Manchester or heard of Manchester, Tennessee. Yes, this is the same customer still getting results. Let's review his TransUnion removals again. Alrighty, as we can see right there, Mary Mark Premier, Capital One Bank, Dr. Leonard's, First Bank Manchester have been all deleted. Good for him. People, we want to make sure that we are able to dispute online. We're able to get faster results for the credit repair process because we leave out mail time that it takes for disputes to get to the bureaus. Anyways, my people, you already know, looking for a quote, DM me your email address, I'll send you my info. And the next video is going to show you how you get a quote and how I give out quotes all the time. Every day we give out quotes, 20 to 30 quotes per day. So a whole bunch of you, if you can't start the process, you save up, or I'll hit you back when I have the money in 2 weeks, a month from now. So everyone could start. We only take on a one-time fee and we commit to the file until everything is removed. How you get a quote? See right here, you email me right here, how to start. I'll send you my how to start credit repair info and we take it from there. So right now, let's just enjoy how the credit repair quote works so you better understand the process, okay? Anyways, let's review this customer's credit file and see what we're going to be working with. So I can see this customer is in real estate. Told me he had a couple of negative accounts. You can see right here, this is Identity IQ. And here are the last couple of derogatories that are left to remove. His Equifax is totally clean, but Experian and TransUnion has a couple of negatives. And look, 27 inquiries that also need to be removed down below. Anyways, my people, I'm going to give this customer a credit repair quote. A lot of people have been hitting me up through my Facebook page, GizzyCredit, and my GizzyBot actually gets back to you. And let me tell you something, GizzyBots get back to you. All I need is your email address, and I'll send you my info, and we take it from there. GizzyCredit, you already know. Alrighty, my people, that's how you get a quote for credit repair process. Many of you, like I said, when you go to my my Facebook, let me see if I could get you guys in here. All right, so when we go to Facebook, you're able to come here, and then you could just write me a message. And on my Facebook, you're going to be able to also see that we go live here as well. So Mondays 6 p.m. I go live on both YouTube and Facebook. And last time's podcast was on inflation. What is inflation? So we try to educate you as much as we can for you to stay active in what is going on with credit, pertaining to anything having to do with economics and finance as well. So see, these are all my YouTube, my Facebook lives, which I go live on both YouTube and Facebook. Anyways, want to say thank you. The next video will be right here on this customer. I see I got a couple of people wanting to start credit repair, but I have a customer right here that is thanking me for helping us not only buy his house, but also he also was able to refinance. So that video is going to come up individually because it's a credit repair result testimonial. So definitely appreciate you guys logging on, staying on, and definitely appreciate everyone who logs on to our YouTube lives and likes, subscribes, shares the content. Definitely all this is done for you guys. So I want to say thank you. And right now, of course, I'm going to end up with, of course, your favorite GizzyCredit jingle.
Don't get scammed. What you need is just a change